All right. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening to each and everyone joining us in different parts of the world. Rico Kilo here. Of course, I'm part of the Opulence Global Philippines office here, corporate team. And we'd like to welcome you all Monday morning, start of the week. But not only that, it's also the start of the month for September. And again, congratulations to each and everyone who were able to hit your goals, your targets for the month of August. Well done, well done. And of course, that goes to all of our partners who are working relentlessly towards the fulfillment of your dreams, towards the fulfillment of your goals. But as they say, we should always progress because that's the key to happiness, right? And of course, this is the time for us to reset, refresh, and let's go. We're going to talk about, of course, the next 30 days as well as what are the current exciting promotions and events that will be running for the month of September. All right. So if you are our existing partners, whether you're new, whether you've been here for a long time, I don't want to call it old, whether you are here for a long time already, there is always some trainings that you can attend to get you more equipped, to get you more trained, to get you more informed and educated when it comes to how we can grow our business, how we can build our business. And that is our mandate here in Opulence Global. We want you to be informed of the steps that you need to take in order for you to grow, rank advance, and of course progress in your business. And yes, 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 welcome to all of our partners who just joined in. Hello, Italo. Thank you so much for your greeting. And let's get started. And before we get started, as I've said earlier, this is already the start of the month, right? The start of the week. And that is the reason why we have these trainings in place so that we can get you started right from the start of the week, from the start of the month. So we are just, 4 months away. Imagine that we are already 4 months away towards the end of this year. Here in the Philippines, I have been hearing about Christmas carols already. They say it's the bear months already. So it's almost the end of the year. So we just want to finish strong. And that's one of the things that we are targeting, and not only for the Philippine or Asian market, but I know that this is also your goal for the rest of the world to finish strong this 2025. Okay. Now, at the start of the week, at the start of the month, I just want to, of course, um, guide you through particularly to set your targets. Okay, I would strongly encourage you to set your targets for the week, set your targets for the month, because goals, or what we call here in forensic, is the promise list. Promise list is very important. Okay, so promise list is the process of identifying something you want. What do you want? What do you want to accomplish? And on top of that, establishing the measurable objectives and timeframes to achieve it. So very, very important is that you have a promise list, or that's the term that we use for setting goals, because promise list is more powerful than setting goals, right? What is a promise list? A promise list is something that you promise to yourself, something that you promise to your loved ones that you will achieve, right? Because according to Zig Ziglar, I have said it many times, if you aim at nothing, you will hit it every time. And that's the power of having a promise list. What is your promise list for this month? What is your promise list towards the end of this year? Now, why is this important? Is because having a promise list will provide you direction and focus. Okay? Direction and focus. And I remember one of the, I'm very fond of listening to positive audios, positive videos, because I know that this is the what they call this, the food for my mind. Okay, I want always to be nourished with positive things. And one of the things that I have heard, that there was an interview which was conducted together with, of course, Warren Buffett. Of course, we admire Warren Buffett for his work ethic, for his achievements, together with Bill Gates. And the interviewer asked if there is one thing that you may consider as the key to success. Only one thing, the key to success. and without a beat. They both answer the same thing. That one word is focus. Okay? If you are focused enough to achieve your goals, focused enough to bring in all your energy towards the fulfillment of that goals. If we are focused, then according to this very successful people, that is the key ingredient to success. The question is, are we focused, right? So moving forward, I believe that this is one thing that we should work on, getting focused on our on growing our business, getting focused on growing our team. Okay. And another importance of the promise list is it increases motivation and accountability. So when we have our promise list on hand, when we are able to visualize the things that we would want to accomplish in our life, in our business, in our relationships, that then it increases our motivation and accountability. I call this the fuel for our business. Every morning, that's the thing that I do, right? After praying to God and thanking God for another day, another opportunity to enjoy life, the next question is, who can I help today? All right, that's what our LD4 always in, and of course declaring that this is going to be the best day ever of my life, because I believe that there is power in words. When you declare something, the universe follows, right? That is your command to the universe. And then of course, one of the things that I do is I have a vision board. I look at my vision board because my vision board will remind me the reason why I am doing what I am doing. All right? It refocuses you back on track. Okay? Because sometimes we wake up, we think about a lot of things. We think about challenges, we think about troubles, we think about bills, we think about many obstacles that may come along our way. And sometimes when you wake up, that doesn't feel right, right? So what I do is first and foremost I pray, and then the second thing is I go to my vision board to remind me of the reason why I am doing what I am currently doing. And I believe that's very powerful. Okay. So it increases my motivation that I am working on something, that today I have a task, I have a goal to fulfill, right? And if you do that each and every single day, I guarantee you that you will work with so much passion, with commitment, right? Because you know the reason why you are working, why you are doing what you are doing. Okay, so it also enhances your time management. It allows you, to plan your day, to work on it. It also tracks progress and celebrates achievement, and it also improves self-confidence and discipline. So initially, that's where I wanted to get started to, because sometimes we just work and work without, concrete direction, concrete focus. And why this is important is because, if you don't know where you're going, according to Zig Ziglar, then you'll end up somewhere, right? If you don't set your direction, life will set it for you. And that's where goal setting comes in. That's where the promise list comes in. It's not just about writing down dreams or making like the New Year's resolution, right? It's about taking control of your future. When you set a goal, you create a target to aim for, right? And suddenly your actions have meaning. Okay? You're not just going to work, but you're building something. You're moving forward. And you see, goals, as what I've mentioned earlier, it gives you focus. They give you motivation, especially when you feel like quitting, right? I've been there, done that, right? Many times we feel like quitting when something is not, we're not seeing the results or working hard. Sometimes we feel like quitting, okay? But what always brings me back to working and renewing my commitment is when I go back to my promise list, to my vision board, okay? And also it gives you clarity when everything feels overwhelming. And most importantly, they will give you proof that you're capable of more than you think, all right? So let's be honest, you won't reach your goal you won't reach every goal overnight. It doesn't happen that way. You don't plant today and then eventually your seeds will already bloom, right? So there will be times that you'll fall, there'll be times that you'll get tired, There'll be times that you'll be tempted to give up. But if your promise list, if your why is strong enough, you'll get back up. Okay? You'll get back up. Why? Because your why is deep enough, is strong enough that you'll get back up. Okay? Because every achievement, every business, every success started the same way, with someone deciding that this is what I want and I will not stop until I get there. Can you say it to yourself? This is what I want and I won't stop until I get there. According to Les Brown, I won't stop until I win. Yes, yes, yes. And so I challenge you today, set your promise list, a real one. Okay, set your promise list, set your targets, write it down. There's importance in writing it down. There's even a book that says, um, write it down and make it happen, because there's power in writing it down. It means that you are committed to accomplish the goals, the targets that you have set for yourself. And then when you write it down, break it into steps and then chase it with everything you've got. Because your future isn't something you wait for. It's something you create. Okay? So very, very important is to set your promise list. Okay? Make it something that you are excited about. All right? So make your promise list, and that's the first step. And then, of course, goals or promise list wouldn't be accomplished without, of course, the action plan. All right. So in our business, it may be, your target for the month can be the MGRS. Okay. It can be the car bonus. It can be the vacation bonus. It can be the Dubai travel incentive. It can be the rank advancement, progressing from one position or rank to another, right? If you're an LA, make sure that you set your next level, which is, of course, the LD1, Lifestyle Director 1. If you don't know how to go to LD1, make sure that you contact your My5, contact the office, do a coaching or mentoring session with them. That's the beauty about our business. You have a support system. You're not just doing the business by yourself. You have a team that can support you, that can coach you, that can mentor you. Okay? So you can be from LA, LA plus, LADE. Next step is to become an LD1. Next step is to become an LD2. And the beauty about our compensation plan is the higher you rank up, the more benefits that you can enjoy in your business. Okay, so those are the targets that you can achieve for this month, especially the MGRS. And by the way, congratulations to our partners who already achieved the MGRS. I can see here, Ma'am Rufina Hizon. Yes, Ma'am Rufina, congratulations to you for the 2 shares of the MGRS. Yes, yes, yes. Okay. All right, all right, all right. Yes, this call is recorded, by the way. Let me just double check this so that, yes, it is recorded. All right. So that's the thing. That's the first thing that I want to talk about. It's about setting your promise list. And I can't help but emphasize the importance of it in the success of your business. Okay. And then, of course, need to have an action plan. What would be my action? What would be the activities or the things that I need to do in order for me to accomplish that goal? All right. So we have here, I want to share with you, of course, our next 30 days Launchpad training. Let me just put it up here. And then we're just going to go through it very quickly, because I know that you have a lot of things to work on for today. So for some, it's already early morning for them. Probably you need to get to work. And for, of course, our Asian team, it's getting late for them. So let me just share with you my screen for the Launchpad training, particularly when it comes to the next 30 days. Now, I won't be going through each and every slide, because this will take at least more than an hour to discuss, but at least to give you an idea of, the action plan that you need to take, especially if you're new here. Okay, if you just launch your business, then congratulations to you. And if you are here for quite a while now, this is also a good way for you to reset, refresh, and let's go. Okay. So of course, very important in our business is to have your DMO, or your daily method of operation. Just like in any other traditional business, right? They have a method of operation that they will need to accomplish each and every single day. Because your method of operation will be your action plan. This will be your activities that will make you a step closer towards the fulfillment of your goals. So do you have one? Do you have a daily method of operation, or you just let the day runs you, right? So this is very important. You should basically have what we call the DMO box. Okay, it can be found in your back office. So why this is important is because we want to focus on what we call the IGAs, okay, the income generating activities. When we say income generating activities, these are the activities that brings production for your business, that brings the money into your business, okay, so that you can also stay on track. Another thing is, do you have a calendar that you are working on? Okay, create a work schedule for your opulence business. So how many appointments have you scheduled for today, for the week, and for the month? Because as we always say, the results that you're going to generate for your business is directly proportional to the number of presentations, of tours, of contacts that you do to your team, right? So the level of activities is directly proportional to the results that you're going to make. As we always say, based on the law of sowing and reaping, the more you sow, the more you reap, right? If you reap many seeds, then you will reap many harvests. If you sow only a few seeds, then you will reap only a few harvests. And if you're not sowing anything at all, then don't expect for harvest to come, right? So these are the IGAs, the income generating activities, right? So what are these? What are these IGAs? Okay, so number one is, of course, you need to have someone to connect to. Remember, the asset in your business are the people in your team, your customers, your partners. Okay, so what do you do with these people? Of course, always connect with them. And I guarantee you, when you connect to your team, by the end of the day, the great thing there is that you are actually building up, okay, not just your customers, but as well as your partners. So someone to connect to, and every day you can connect with your team, go to your back office. You have a lot of, and okay, so I'm going to share with you this, okay? In your back office, when you go to your organizational report, okay, in your dashboard, click on the organization, click on the team volume, okay? Team volume. And then under that team volume, you can see who among your partners are purchasing. All right, there's smart buys, there's shopping credits, all of the people purchasing in your organization, connect with them. Even if they are not your direct sponsor, it's always good to connect with your team, right? Say your thank you messages to them. Just like if you have a store, right, physical store, and customers keep on buying, you always are grateful to them, then express them. Say your thank you. You know, thank you for your purchase for today, and I do appreciate you, continuing to use our products. Let me know. Let me know. How can I further help you? If there's anything I can help you with regards to your business, anything you need to know about the products, I'm just here. And that's what we call customer service, right? That's what most businesses work on, connection, because they want to they want to make their customers feel good. And for, of course, the new launches, welcome them, because this is very important. Welcoming your new customers, your new partners will reinforce that they have made the right decision. And when they feel good about your products, when they feel good about your business, then guess what? Retention increases, right? Retention increases. And then, of course, another IGA is the prospecting, and of course, making appointments. Okay, very important, because we need to expand our business. We need to grow our business. And the only way for us to grow our business is by adding up or having more customers and partners. And then rank up. That's one of the things that we can always encourage our partners to rank up. Okay, and that is also the thing that will help you rank up, because the more partners that will rank up in your organization, it means that you will also be ranking up. And that's the beauty about our compensation plan. Now, the question is, what do we say to these people, right? So we have actually some scripts that can guide you and help you connect with your team. So number one is someone to connect. Number two is something to say. Number three is someone to present to. Okay. So when we say someone to present to, we're talking about people who doesn't still know about your products or your opportunity. Okay. So it's always good, as I've said in my Saturday training, the key to growing your business is always doing the tours, right? Because it is our opportunity to showcase to people who still doesn't know our products, our opportunity, how it can improve their life. And every time we do tours, guess what? We see results. Okay? I guarantee you that every time we do our tours, we see results. So this means the more tours that we do on a daily basis, on a weekly basis, on a monthly basis, the more results that you're going to have. Okay? The law of sowing and reaping, right? And then, of course, number 4 is infinite follow-up and ask for a referral. And number 5 is to duplicate, to repeat, 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 repeat. Because the more you repeat, the more you duplicate, right? So this is what we're going to talk about. And of course, someone to connect to the plan to build your prospect and customer list. Building a strong prospect and customer list is essential for the growth and sustainability of your opulence business. Here's a strategic plan to help you attract, engage, and retain a valuable customer base. So first is define your target customer. Sino ba yung I speak Tagalog. I thought I'm in the Philippine training. So who is your target market, right? So make a connection. Okay, make connection. And the most important thing in your business is your list of people. Okay, list of people. Because remember, in your business, this is your asset. The more people that you connect to, the faster your business grows. Okay, so always expand also your list of people, right? So this is actually a memory jogger that can help you list down all of the people that you know. And when listing down your prospects, okay, make sure that you do not pre-qualify. Okay, when we say pre-qualify, you do not think whether they will like the product, whether they will like the opportunity or not. You just list them down, because you will never know if they are interested until you speak to them, until you present to them, right? So don't prejudge. Okay, the first rule in listing down names is to never pre-qualify. Just list them down, all the people that you know. You start with your Facebook, you start with your phone book, right? All of the people in your contact list in your phone. And then social media, right? And this memory jogger, this is very important, okay? So list down as much as you can. There's no limit as to how many people you would be able to write. The more people you list down, the bigger your business can be, right? So it means that you have a wide array of target market that you can work on, okay? And of course, additional memory jogger. So you can have a copy of this in your back office. And then, of course, find your customers' why. Pain points, okay? You do not just do ambush presentation. You need to build like and trust first with, of course, your prospects or your potential customers or partners. Make sure that you understand their pain. What excites them, all right? Because we do not just do presentation or tours without even knowing what they are interested about, right? So identify challenges or desires that your opulence products or business opportunities can address, and then use to resonate with your audience. Ask if they have considered working from home, lead the discussions to the business opportunity and its benefits. For me, in simple terms, what I do is I build first like and trust. I build rapport with my potential prospects, and then eventually ask them the form. Remember the form: family, occupation, recreation, and money. All right. So I just ask them, how's your family? How is the health of your family? How's your business? How's your work? Anything challenging with regards to your business? Because I want to identify their pain. Now, when I understand what their struggles are, what their desires are, then I can be able to do the tours more efficiently and effectively, customized to the things that are important to them. Okay? So remember, we are in the business of providing solutions. We are not in the business of selling them products or opportunities that don't matter to them. Okay? We are providing solutions to the things that, that challenges them, or providing solutions to the things that drives them. So make sure that you figure that out, especially during the initial uh, discussion with your potential customers and partners. Okay, so that's it. So define your target customers, understand key characteristics like age, gender, income level, location, interest, and tailor products to your audience. So especially if you're talking to the younger generation, okay, sometimes they don't think much about health. They don't think much about health, right? So they are more interested in probably fashion or in making money, right? So that's what our younger generation is looking for right now. And then when you're talking to mature, higher income, highlight fairy and fairy much luxury appeal. Okay. So again, define your target customers, align values and buying behaviors with your offerings. For example, like for instance, Fairy Microsilver target individuals with great dental health. And I was sharing with you a couple of weeks ago, we went into a presentation with a dentist. All right, and this dentist is very interested about the fountain of life, but we have a product that is customized particularly for improving their oral health, right? So when we shared about the Fairy Microsilver, I asked that dentist, have you heard about Microsilver? And guess what? They're not yet really familiar with it. So it was an opportunity for me to share something that we have that can provide solution to their patients, right? And she's very excited, and hopefully, we will be also be tapping the network of the contacts of this dentist. So imagine that. Imagine what it can do to your business, right? And then for Divine, perfect for athletes who often deal with pain from intense workouts. So there are certain market segments that you can focus on, especially when it comes to the different product lines that we have. And for Fairy Posh, perfect for someone with style. Take a moment to compliment their taste and ask if they've ever considered a career in the fashion industry. And then for community engagement activists, then you can also discuss with them that we have what we call the opulence cares. We are not just into business, but we also would want to help, particularly some people who like for instance, we have a lot of charity that is being done by the company. So if you want to take part in that community, you can become a part of it, okay, of this company, okay. And then of course, among all of those post lists that you have generated, whether it be 100, 200, 300, remember, the bigger your list, the bigger your business, okay. The bigger your list, the bigger your business. Now, among all of those that you have listed down, then prioritize or select your hotshot list. Okay, hotshot list. These are the initial people that you want to get in contact to. These are the what you think can be the driving force in your business. Okay, so these are the closest contacts who think like you, act like you, have the same work ethics as you, have the same determination as you, want their lives to be changed, would do whatever it takes to change just like you, will never give up or stop just like you until they have achieved the change they want just like you. So we are looking for people who are like us, who are determined to make some changes in our life, right? And if we find someone better than us, then that's even better. Because at the end of the day, this is the business we're in. If your team is better than you, then your business will eventually grow faster, right? Because after all, this business is all about leveraging. Leveraging means that there will come a time that you won't have to be doing all the work for your business. We are actually equipping and training our team, our partners, so that they can be independent business owners. And there will come a time that even if you're not putting much effort into your business, as long as your partners are working out their goals, their targets, their promise list, then guess what? Your business will keep on running and your business will keep on growing. Okay? So who among your list will be someone like you who is determined to never give up or stop until they have achieved the change they want, just like you. Okay. And then, of course, engage with your customers. Remember, conversations leads to actions. So get creative with questions that spark meaningful discussions and could potentially result in new VIP shoppers or team brand partners. Now, here are some conversation starters. So basically, what this slide means is that you should be able to arouse the curiosity of whether you it is a potential customer or potential partner. Okay, once you have identified their need, what they are interested about, what drives them, then you could ask this curiosity arousing questions like, do you enjoy bulk shopping with massive discounts? How do you feel about tax-free shopping or access to high quality safe products? Or do you have any pains right now? Are you dealing with any pain? Okay. Are you suffering from certain health conditions? Okay. So these are um, some questions that you can throw in there. And we also have some approach scripts that you can use. I won't be able to deal with this extensively, but you just have to check your back office. And if you don't have, approach, when we say approach, is this is something that you can segue introducing your business. So I came across an amazing opportunity that combines financial freedom with luxury living. It's exactly the kind of next level lifestyle we like. It's something new and could be life changing. So are you open to taking a quick look? I'd love to share more. Okay. So by asking these questions, it can lead to further discussions. And of course, eventually, you can do your presentations with them. So some of the approach tips: warm and inviting, keep it short and simple, make them curious enough to take a look at what you are offering them. So build curiosity, make it about them, focus on financial freedom, luxury, or exclusivity. So we are here to provide solutions to our prospects, right? So make sure that it is all about them. How would they look and feel if they have our products? How would they, enjoy if they have the benefits of our opportunity? So spark interest without revealing too much. Now, this is one key element when it comes to, because of course you now have a dream, you have now a target, right? Let's just go back a little bit on what we have already discussed. You work on your targets for the month, and number two is you already have your list of people that will be instrumental to the fulfillment of your targets, right? So very important. Okay, these are links. All right, step by step. Number one, your promise list. Second, your dream team. Those people who can work with you, okay, to achieve your goals. And in order for you to achieve your goals, our target is to make sure that we work on achieving the targets of our team. That's the beauty about our business, right? And then the third step is for us to invite the people in our list. Okay, invitation. Okay, when it comes to invitation, let me remind you that invitation is not equal to explanation. Invitation is actually setting appointments. Okay, just setting appointments without divulging much information about our business. Because after invitation, that's what we call the next step, the tours or the presentations. Okay? So just invite, make it short and simple. Make them curious enough to take a look at what you will be offering to them. Okay? So just like the script that we have read earlier, I came across an amazing opportunity that combines financial freedom with luxury living. And I want your personal opinion on this. It's exactly the kind of next level lifestyle we like. It's something new and could be life changing. Are you open to taking a quick look? That's it. That's the invitation. Okay. I'd love to share more. And then when they keep on asking, said, you know what? It would be better if I can show you the whole picture about this. I don't want to give you bits and pieces because it would be unfair for you if you don't see the whole presentation. Okay, this will just take 30 minutes of your time. So is Wednesday afternoon or Friday evening good for you? Okay, just set the invitation. Setting appointments is not equal to presentation. All right, so once you have already set an appointment, the next step is of course to do the presentation, to do the tours with them. okay, so that they can be able to see the full picture of what you would want to show them. Okay, so very, very important. So again, we have covered how many topics? Then your next 30 days, setting your promise list, writing down your list of people, setting appointments, okay? And then number 4 is doing the tours, doing the presentation, okay? Now, very important also in inviting people is to be able to deliver your 2-minute story. Very, very important. I call this your blockbuster story. Why this is important is because, people relate to stories. People retain stories. Okay? More than the presentation, more than the tours, remember, when they are in the tour, what they remember is not the features, the benefits, your products. They remember the stories that they heard. Okay? I call this the blockbuster story. And you just have to work on it. I might even call it package your story. Just like a movie, when the story in the movie is good enough, interesting enough, the same movie that is shown in different parts of the world can earn millions and millions of dollars, right? The same story, if it is good and it is shown in different markets, countries, and it is watched by a lot of people, it can make millions and millions of dollars, right? So same is true in our business. You can be from one area, one market, one prospect to another, sharing the same inspirational stories. And guess what? It can make you big bucks, millions and millions of dollars. Especially if you keep on repeating your story, and the more you repeat it, the more you improve it, right? So make sure that you work on that. Write it down. Okay? 2-minute story. When did you launch your first business? Why you started your business? Who introduced you to your business? Product testimonials and even business testimonials. All right. So keep it short and simple. Enough for your prospects to be curious enough on on the story that you have shared with them. I want to take a look at it. Okay. So this can be your key to your invitation as well. Okay. So work on that. Make it a blockbuster story, right? Yes, yes. Who you are and why you did it. Okay. Yes. And of course, remember your prospects are not making a one-time purchase. It is a long-term commitment. When a prospect sees your business tour for the first time, they are looking at 3 things. So you might want to focus on these things. What is the business? Can they benefit from it? And how do you do the business? Okay. Keep the tour short and simple. Okay. That's the reason why our tours are designed to be just maximum probably 30 minutes. Okay, because we want to present just enough information, not the whole information about the products and the opportunity. Because after all, what they would just want to see is what is the business, right? How can they benefit from the business? What's in it for me? What's in it for them? Okay, and how can I do the business? That's the question that your prospects might be thinking about when they see your presentation. So make sure when you do your presentation, these are the questions that are being addressed. Okay? So it's important to showcase the support, unity, and teamwork before and immediately after they have seen the tour. It is vital for your prospects to feel unity and caring in your team right after the tour because this teamwork represents hope for them. And this is very, very important, okay? Because for me, if I attend a tour, if I attend the presentation, of course, those are the 3 questions that I would ask myself. Okay, what is the business? How can I benefit from the business? And can I do the business, right? Now, it's also important that in the tour, they can see the teamwork. Okay, as we always say, teamwork makes the dream work. We were just in our tour last last Friday and Saturday. And of course, we have presenters, we have ushers, we have team that set up. And our guests, they can see the teamwork. And it gives hope to them. You know why? Because they know that just with themselves, they still do not know how to do the business. But if they know that there is someone who can guide them, who can train them, who can help them in the business, well, it's hope for them, right? So that's the good thing about, your prospect seeing the unity and teamwork, especially when it comes to tours. And sometimes, this is very important, by the way. Okay, the energy that you exude as a team, sometimes, or more often than not, okay, it already gives your prospect enough reason for them to join. If they feel that the energy in the tour is good, okay, then they are more likely to join, because they can see the joy that you have, the teamwork that you have. And sometimes your prospect will say, like, I want to become a part of this movement, of this community, right? They're not just there for the business, but they can also feel how you feel about the business. And if the energy is good, then most likely they will be compelled to become a part of your community or your movement. Okay? So that's very, very important when it comes to doing tours. Okay? And then, of course, take your prospects through the Opulence opportunity, direct them to the opportunity page. You can basically use the tools that we have. In your opportunity page, there is a recorded video or tour done by, of course, our senior vice president, doing the very, very brief tour. Actually, I think it's a 21-minute tour. You can also make use of that, especially if you are presenting online and if your prospect is far from you. Okay, you're doing Zoom, or probably you're doing one-on-one. You can play the video, and especially if you are not able to do the presentation yourself. Okay, so we have tools that you can use. Okay, so that's basically your next 30 days. Okay, so making sure that you are carrying out the income generating activities when it comes to building your business. Okay, so tours after tours after tours after tours after tours, non-stop tours. And I tell you, the more meetings you have, the more results that you're going to generate from your business. And this will actually build a massive momentum for your team. How do you build momentum? By massive planting. Massive planting. Okay? Keep on sowing, keep on sowing. Okay? Massive planting. And that's the way for us to go to that momentum. When we say momentum, it's just like a steam train, right? I always use this analogy. The steam train, not the electric train, okay? Not the bullet train. I'm a conventional one. So the steam train, when it's starting, it's very slow, it's very heavy, it like tube, 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 tube. And sometimes that's what we are in the business, right? Especially when you're restarting or just starting, sometimes it's slower, it's heavy, right? And when you put let's say a hollow block or an obstacle right in front of the steam train, it can immediately stop. Okay, because it doesn't still have momentum, right? And sometimes it's like us in the business. When we're starting, we say a lot of challenges. A simple obstacle can make you want to quit, right? But if you keep on going, like the steam train, and as it goes faster and faster, and as it reaches its maximum speed, and then guess what? Even if you put a tall wall, a big wall in front of the steam train, it will just pass through it. Why? Because it has momentum. And that's what we want to build in our business, building momentum. We have the forensic, right? Create momentum, sustain, advance momentum, and sustain momentum. Start momentum, advance momentum, and sustain momentum. That's part of our forensic training. Okay, so how do you build massive momentum? Massive planting. Massive planting. Because there will come a time, like, you plant and plant and plant. Guess what? You're going to get more results. The amount of results that you're going to generate, okay, is more than all of the obstacles that you will encounter in your business. You will be more than excited than all the negativities in your business. You hear testimonies after testimonies, recognition after recognition. And that's what will advance momentum and sustain momentum in your business. Okay? All right. So I think that covers our next 30 days training. And then let's get on with our promotions. Let's use the tools. All right. Thank you so much for your messages. I can see them. Okay. All right. So let me just, by the way, if you have any questions, please feel free to raise your questions here. I know we are all excited also of the Monday call, our product crossfire call together with our CEO and SVP. Okay. So let me just pull up here our back office. Okay. By the way, that's also one of the things that I do, particularly for the start of the day or the start of the week. I always pull up my back office. Okay. I learn something new when it comes to your back office, the information that you can get from that and how it can help you build your business, right? How it can help you utilize to build your business. Okay. So let me just open my back office here. Oops, sorry. Give me a minute. I will share with you my screen. Okay, so here we go. All right. So this is your back office. Okay, so make sure that you also check this, especially when it comes to the promotions, because you would want something that you can offer to your prospects or even to your team, right? This is what can build, for, number one, excitement. Like for instance, if you are presenting, you can always use this promotion. You know what? This is the best time for you to come in or to join us. Why? Because we have some promotions that are currently running right now. In other words, you will be offering them a great deal, right? Sometimes, not sometimes, um, always we like deals, right? Whenever there are certain deals in a certain store, we would want to take advantage of that, right? So it makes us decide to get it at that moment, mainly because there is a great deal, a great offer that we can utilize or take advantage of. Okay, same thing in our business. That's the reason why we have this build assist promotions, so that you can offer it to your prospects, giving them additional value for what they can get, right? So our compensation plan, our opportunity is more than enough, okay, for them to enjoy. But if you have additional offer that you can extend to them, why not, right? So this can also create that level of urgency, especially to your prospects, right? Because sometimes when your prospect says, well, I'm going to think about it, well, probably I'll get the package or product next month. Then guess what? Okay, they're going to think about it. Their next month or next time doesn't come unless you follow them up or unless you give them enough reason why they need to become why they need to decide right now. Okay, so if you click on that, the promotions, then you will be able to see all of the promotions that are currently running right now. And we have, of course, our Canada headquarter grand opening build assist, which was extended up until September 15. Okay, so make sure that you take advantage of this. Let me just click on that. Okay, discover. Now it's taking some time for my internet here. Okay, so this is what we're going to talk about. Let me just, all right, there you go. Okay, by the way, if you want to get the details of the promotions, it's always provided in our back office. So make sure before you connect with your team, make sure that you are aware what are the exciting promotions, what are the Build Assist promotions in your business, okay? So in this Build Assist, let me just, okay, it's taking a while for it to load, but nonetheless, let me just open it up so that I can discuss this with you. Okay, so while it is loading, okay, number one, cash order bonus. All cash orders over $1,000 will receive a $250 physical gift card. Okay, the gift card is again a value of a products that you can, additional value of products that you can enjoy, particularly for your VIP shoppers, okay, for gifting, right? So this is good because on top of the $1,000 that you will purchase, okay, one time, then you will be receiving additional $250 gift card, okay? So that is for the partners. Now, on top of that, we also have, of course, for new launches, launches and upgrades. So this means that when a new partner launches, again, this is additional value for the people that you will launch. This can be your what do you call them? Your deal, additional deal to them. Okay. I don't know if you already see my screen, right? Okay, but anyway, additional value for your LA packages. The reason why you need to become a part of it right now, the reason why you need to launch your LA, LAP, or LADE right now, because we have an important special offer for you only up until September 15. So when you launch your LA package, imagine when you launch your LA package, you do not just get the total value of the products, an opportunity for you to enjoy the 13 to 14 ways of making money, but you will receive an additional $250 gift card. Okay? So that's $250. And then you can convert it into your local currency so that they can be able to see how big of a deal it is, right? So $250 gift card that you can enjoy. And of course, this is only good up until September 15th. And you know, sometimes people take advantage of the deal. I mean, people decide to join because they want to take advantage of the special offer that you give them. Okay. And then it's taking a while. Sorry for that. I don't know if it's my internet or not. But anyway, the next one is for LAP package launch. Your new partner will receive $500 gift card. That's insane, right? $500 gift card. Wow. Okay. So that's a lot of freebies for your new LAP. And when it comes to your LADE package, they will receive additional $1,000 gift card for free. Okay. So how exciting is that? So make sure that you make sure that you inform your prospects who are deciding to become a partner with Opulence Global. Now, I would have to close this because it's taking a lot of time. And of course, okay. So that's the first promotion. Um, if you have any questions when it comes to the promotions, please feel free to raise your questions. And when it comes to, of course, rank advancement promotion, we still have, of course, up until the end of the year, we talk about targets right from the beginning of this call, LD3. All right, LD3, first two partners in each of our markets who achieve LD3. You still have time. Get a 3-day visit to our headquarters, our Ferry Gallery, and our Opulence Global headquarters up until the end of the month, up until the end of the year. Then you can have this free trip, all right, to visit our headquarters. Wow. Especially for markets outside of Canada. I'm sure our CEO will be having a great treat for our Canada partners. especially when it comes to this promotion. Okay, so make sure that you take advantage of that as well. And of course, our new VIP loyalty program is still ongoing. We have already covered this before, but this is another thing that the company initiates so that you can build your foundation for your customer base. Okay, so you can share this with your customers so that they can be, enjoying the benefits of buying the products each and every single month. Not only enjoying the benefits of our product, but also receiving the freebies or the additional value that they can get as a VIP shopper. Okay. All right, so I believe that is our promotions running at this month. So make sure that you take advantage of them as well. Let me see if we have any questions here. Yes, Mona has a question here. What do you mean by cash purchase? It is for new members only. No, when we say cash purchase, this is also for partners. Okay, Mona. This is also for our existing partners who will make a one-time purchase of $1,000. Okay, whether it's in products or shopping credits. Okay, so they will be receiving the $250 free gift card. Okay, so this is also available to our existing partners. That's the promotion one. That's basically for our existing partners. Okay, when they purchase $1,000, then they will receive the $250 free gift card. Okay, and of course, Amarjeet, yeah, thank you so much for your message. I almost forgot. What happens here is that when someone purchases an LAP or LADE, okay, no, LADE only, because I believe that's what the poster says. When someone purchases, okay, an LADE, they will receive also a $100 free shipping rebate. Now, what this means, just to clarify and explain this, is that once they do their shipping, okay, when they order their products, you will be receiving a free shipping up to $100. Okay, up to $100. So this is one time. So when you do your ordering, and of course you choose the products that you want to be shipped out of the package that you got, then you will receive a one-time rebate of up to $100. Now, as for verification, Amarjeet, this is a rebate. So this means that it will be credited back after that you have finished the transaction. Okay, so it's a rebate. So it's a credit back. Okay, so that's the clarification I got from our headquarters. Okay, so I hope that's clear. Yes, for LA, LAP, and LADE. Yes. Thank you so much, Amarjeet. All right, so it's a rebate that will be credited back to your account in the form of Opulence currency. So it's not automatically $100, but you will receive a free shipping rebate depending on the amount that you have incurred. Okay, so it means that it will be credited back in your account as an Opulence currency. Okay, all right, so I believe that we have already come to the end of the hour. I do hope that I make your Mondays more exciting. I do hope so. And I do hope that, every Monday you get something new that can spark up and help your business grow. Because after all, that's what this training is all about. And make sure you do not forget all of the trainings that will be happening this week. Okay, make sure that you and your team participate in it. And of course, our Monday product crossfire together with our CEO and SVP. This is one training that you shouldn't miss together with your team. I know it's going to be exciting with a Fairy Moss relaunched, and then of course our Tuesday training together with our CEO, and on top of that, our Saturday training together with, of course, our top leaders discussing about the different things that you need to learn about our business. Okay, so again, thank you so much for tuning in this call. And of course, thank you so much for all of your messages. I'm reading it right now. And yes, thank you so much, Jane. Thank you so much, Erlene. Yes, thank you so much. And of course, Amarjeet, another question here. We get another $100 GC and $500 GC physical card. Wow, wow, wow. Cause my partners got it. Yes, absolutely, Amarjeet. This is something that you should take advantage of up until September 15. And yes, thank you so much, Mona. And I pray and I hope that you will have a very productive, fruitful week. Okay, so start of the month, set your targets, and of course, take your 30 days action plan so that you can achieve your goals. Thank you so much. Thank you, Aranya. Good to see you here. Thank you so much, everyone, and may you have a blessed week ahead. Building the Billion. Bye-bye, everyone.